Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be short and sweet. I'm going to give you guys a listening test. Today, we're going to listen to 2 radio ads, and I'm going to test how well you can pick out key details. Here's how it's going to work. Before the ad, I'll show you a set of 3 multiple choice questions. Then you'll listen to the full radio ad once. While you listen, try to answer all 3 questions. We'll do this with 2 ads. After each ad, we'll go through all of the questions together and you can see how you did. Some of the options are very similar, so pay close attention. Now, just to warn you guys, these ads are very short and the speakers speak very quickly. Each ad is about 15 seconds long and there's a lot of information given to you, so you have to listen very carefully. You might find it really difficult to understand what is being said, and that's okay. But if you can answer all of these questions correctly, you might be able to score a 9 on the listening component of the IELTS exam. That's pretty impressive. Let's get started. Here are the 3 questions for the first ad. Now I'm going to play the ad.
Turn grocery pickup into points with PC Express Pass. The only grocery pass where you earn 2% in points with every pickup. Get your first year for $2.50 a month. PCExpress.ca.
Did you answer all of the questions? Now let's listen again and answer them together. Let's check your answers. Number 1. What is the main benefit of this grocery pickup pass? Let's listen again.
Turn grocery pickup into points with PC Express Pass.
The correct answer is C. It's about earning loyalty points on grocery pickup orders. Number 2. How much can you earn with each grocery pickup? Let's listen again.
The only grocery pass where you earn 2% in points with every pickup.
The correct answer is B. The ad clearly says 2% in points. Number 3. What is the introductory monthly cost mentioned? Let's listen again.
Get your first year for $2.50 a month. PCExpress.ca.
The correct answer is C. The first year offer is $2.50 per month, $2.50. All right, so that was test 1. Let's do test 2 now. Here are the 3 questions. So now let's listen to ad 2.
Drain Master is your trenchless expert, specializing in water line, sewer line, and drain tile repairs without digging a trench. Call Drain Master Plumbers at 604-739-2000. DrainMasterTrenchless.com. DrainMasterTrenchless.com.
Did you answer all of the questions? Now let's listen again and check your answers. Number 1. What is a key feature of Drain Master's repair method? Let's listen again.
Drain Master is your trenchless expert, specializing in water line, sewer line, and drain tile repairs without digging a trench.
The correct answer is B. The whole point is no dig technology. Number 2. Which services are mentioned? Let's listen again.
specializing in water line, sewer line, and drain tile repairs without digging a trench.
The correct answer is B. Water line, sewer line, and drain tile repairs are specifically mentioned. Number 3. At what number can you reach Drain Master? Let's listen again.
Call Drain Master Plumbers at 604-739-2000. DrainMasterTrenchless.com. DrainMasterTrenchless.com.
The correct answer is A. The phone number given is 604-739-2000 or 2000. All right, so that's it. Now you've listened to both radio ads. How many questions did you get correct? Write your score in the comments below. I really want to see how you guys did. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed taking these tests and you want to see more content like this, please don't forget to hit that like button and let me know below. Thank you to all of you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.